Good morning everyone. Welcome to Eklavya online classes. As you all know that active passive is also our important chapter. So today we start our new chapter, that is active voice and passive voice. Okay. So write down chapter is subject English, active and passive voice. Active and passive voice. One. Now listen carefully. Active and passive voice. Okay. So exactly the voice is divided into two parts. Voice is divided into two parts. First is active voice, and another is passive voice. Okay. So there are two parts of voice. In Hindi we can call vachya. Okay. Kram vachya, kratri vachya, bhav vachya. But in English we can call active voice and passive voice. Clear? So this is divided into two parts. Voice is divided into two parts in English, active voice and another one is passive voice. Clear? Now, active voices depend on subject. Remember one thing, active voices depend on subject. Clear? Active voices depend on subject and passive voice is depend on object. Passive voice is depend on object. So, okay, this active voice depends on subject and passive voice depends on object. Clear? Now, there are 8-9 rules of active passive. So, one by one we discuss all rules. Clear? So, everyone note down in your notebook. This is very interesting chapter and very easy chapter. Okay. So, write down rule number 1, that is according to tense. According to tense, how we change? According to tense, how we change active voice into passive voice or passive voice into active voice. Clear? So, first rule is our according to tense. Okay. So, active change into passive voice. Active change into passive voice. Now, how we change? So, for that, I make some structures. Okay. So, by these structures, you can easily solve each and every problem. So, write down the first structure, object plus helping verb. This is for passive voice, helping verb plus passive form plus verb third form plus by and plus noun pronoun. Clear? So, this is your according to tense structure. Remember this structure and write down in proper way. When we change active into passive, first of all object come, after that helping verb come, after that passive form, after that verb third form, then by, then noun and pronoun. So, this is our according to tense structure. Note down this. Okay. Now our question comes in mind, ma'am, what is passive form and what is this noun and pronoun? So, I make table. So, you all write down table. This is the first rule, okay, according to tense structure. Now, after we solve questions, first of all, write down passive forms and noun and pronoun. So, first of all, write down passive form. Okay. how we identify what is passive form. So, when will shall come in question, use always be with will or shall. Means will और shall के साथ हमें हमेशा be use करना है. Clear? Next is our, if ing come in question, then we use being, B-E-I-N-G, being. Clear? Means ing come in question like playing, eating, so we use always being. Clear? And next is our has, have and had. If this type of verb come in active voice, then we use been with them. So clear? If will and shall come, we use be. Ing come, we use being. Has, have, had come, we use been. All three things clear, I think. So this is called passive form, which I write in structure. Okay. So this is called our passive form. All three be, being and being. Okay. Now write down noun and pronoun. Downside I write noun and pronoun table. So I change into me, you change into always you, we change into us, okay, he change into him, then she change into her, they change into them, they change into them. So this is our noun and pronoun table. Okay. So both things clear. Passive form clear, noun and pronoun clear. Pronoun spelling I write wrong. Okay. So this is passive form. If will shall come, be, ing come, being, has, have, had come, been, noun, pronoun come, this table. Clear? Now we come again on first rule. Our first rule is according to tense. Now how we follow that structure? So one more thing also you write. If do does come, this is also one important table. Is am are use. Is am are. These three tables are there. Okay. If do does come, is am are. If did come, then was were we use. If verb first form come, first form, then we use is am are. Okay. If verb second form come, then we use was and were. So this is also our one important table. This also you make. Clear? Now next. Now we see the example. She broke this window. Now I told you before that active voice is always depend on subject. It means active voice हमेशा subject से start होता है. किससे start होता है? Subject से. But passive voice always depends on object. It means passive voice starts from object. This doubt clear? That active voice starts from subject and passive voice starts from object. Okay. So she is what? Subject, broke is verb and this window is object. Clear? So first of all we separate all three. Okay? One by one. Now what our structure told? First of all object come. So what is the object? This window. This window. अब क्या बताया था कि this window is object. After that helping verb come. Now which helping verb come? तो बेटा ऊपर लिखा हुआ है कि वर्ब की सेकंड फॉर्म अगर आती है तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे? was and were. क्लियर? और फर्स्ट फॉर्म आती है तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे? is and are. क्लियर? सो व्हाट इज विच फॉर्म इज दिस? दिस इज आवर वर्ब सेकंड फॉर्म. अब हमको पता चल गया कि ये हमारी सेकंड फॉर्म है तो हमको कौन सा हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज करना पड़ेगा? दिस विंडो वॉज. पैसिव फॉर्म हमें यूज नहीं करनी. वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म. दिस विंडो वॉज broken by this she changed into her, which I told you in noun pronoun table. So this is our passive voice. ये तो था हमारा एक्टिव वॉइस और ये आ गया हमारा पैसिव वॉइस. तो इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होनी चाहिए. आई थिंक एवरीवन क्लियर दिस, अंडरस्टैंड बाय ऑल थ्री टेबल्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड ऑल थ्री टेबल्स. आफ्टर यू ट्राई टू सॉल्व क्वेश्चंस. क्लियर? So you easily mug up all things. Okay? Now, next write down more example, write down of according to tense. Now, second example, Ram killed Ravan. Okay? So what is Ram here? Ram is subject here. Killed is what? Verb, and this is object here. So, Ravan was killed by Ram. Clear? Was why use here? Because this is verb second form. So, Ravan was killed by Ram. Now, another example. I called him. So, called is what? Verb second form. I is what? Subject, and him is what? Object. So, this him changed into he. So, he was called by me. I changed into me. He was called by me. So, I think everyone understand this. Okay? Now, Ram wrote a book. Okay? So, a book was written by Ram. Clear? A book was written by Ram. This is all according to tense. Next example, write down. He teaches us grammar. He teaches us grammar. Now, see, he is subject, this is verb, and this is object. Now, listen. Teaches is which form? Verb first form now. This is verb first form. Clear? So, now, we change active into passive voice. How? We, okay. Now, with verb first form we use is are. So, we are. Now, third form is what? Taught grammar by him. Easy? Clear? So, this is our passive form. So, this way we can change active into passive. Okay? Or now, next is do you irritate others? Do you irritate others? So, what I told you that in the place of do does we can use is are. So, with you what we use? Are. So, are you irritate by others? This is our answer. This is our passive form. Sorry, are others irritated by you? Not are others irritate by you. So, here our first rule is completed. Here our first rule of active passive is completed. Clear? So this is very important rule, and almost questions come according to this rule. So mug up this rule and try to solve your book exercise. Okay. Now our second rule is what? Our second rule is like second rule is when some words come like surprise, alarm, astonish, start, disappoint, shocked. Suppose if this is very important rule, so listen carefully. Suppose if these type of words come in a active voice in a sentence, clear? If such type of words come in a sentence, then what we use? We don't use by here. In place of by, what we use? In place of by, we use at. What we use? We use at. In this type of situation, we never use by. We only use at here. Clear? What we use here? Only we use at here. Is that clear? Any doubt? Okay. So, now, like example, first of all write down that example, write down this news alarmed me. So what is the answer? I was alarmed. अब क्या होगा बेटा? हमें I was alarmed by this news नहीं करना, हमें क्या करना है? At this news. ऐसा क्यों किया? Because here alarmed word come. Clear? And why we use was here? Because here alarmed second form is given. If here alarm given only, then we use is here are here. Clear? So I think this is also understand. Clear? So this is very good example, and remember this rule, very important rule. This is very important rule. If these type of words come, we never use by here. What we use? At here. I explain you in simplest form. Okay, active passive. Clear? Otherwise you all confuse that simple tense into change into present perfect or present perfect change. So you learn this way. First of all, learn that 3 tables, very important tables, and after that you learn this rule, this proper way. Okay. So I was alarmed, surprised right here. This news, surprised word is good for this. Surprised me, I was surprised at this news. Okay. Now, your attitude shocked us. Now next example, write down there, upside write down. Your attitude shocked us. Okay. So we are shocked. Sorry, shocked is there, na? So what we use? We were shocked at your attitude, not by. What come here? At come. So remember this thing only. This is very important. Okay. This also come in according to tense rule. Okay. So this I think you all understand clearly. Means these type of words come, then what we use? At here in place of by. So this is our second rule. Okay. So try to solve exercise. Okay. Self-solve exercise of all these. So today only we do 2 rules. You all try at home these two rules, okay? So you all not confused, and remember all three tables you learn thoroughly. Clear? So these are our, and try to solve your exercise. In another rules we discuss in another class, next class, okay? So this is for today. So thank you and have a nice day.